Hi! In this video, we'll take a closer look at Muffin Options. The Muffin Options panel has a lot of cool resources. With them, you'll make your work faster and easier. It's easy to use, and it will take you minutes instead of hours to customize your website. In the first part of this video, we'll look at the global settings from the panel. We'll start with the general settings. These include the layout, image frame, background, and site favicon. The layout can be set to boxed or full width, depending on your preferences. After setting the layout, you can also set the grid width to an amount you prefer. While we are in the layout, we see that we can change the main style of the theme or the style of buttons with a few clicks. A lot of people love image frames, so we added this option in the back end of our theme. You can add a border if you want, or even a caption to explain the image. Every website needs a favicon. So why don't you upload yours in this section, in .ico and .png formats. Let's go to the logo now. To set up the logo, its sizes, padding, and other options, please navigate to Appearance, Theme Options, Global, Logo section. There's no shortage of customizing options here either. In the Slider section, you can set up timeouts for the sliders preset on various pages. If you want to add certain scripts to your site's pages, we have the Hooks section, where you can copy-paste them. Going further with our exploration of Muffin Options, we'll look at the header and subheader settings. To set up header layout, please navigate to Appearance, Theme Options, Header and Subheader, Header. Then choose one of the available layouts. You can also set up other options, edit style, settings, header image, and more. Also, making the header sticky is just a click away. Do you think you've customized your headers enough? Not yet. You can also edit subheaders. Besides those, there are lots of extras that you can go through and set up for your website. In the next section from Muffin Options, we can make various modifications to the way the menu looks. Sidebars are important for a website, so customizing them is a must. In the Sidebar section, you can edit the sidebar layout. You can set it to full width with no sidebar, to left sidebar, right sidebar, or even both of them at the same time. You can also set up the layout individually when creating a page or post. It's time to go to the blog settings. I'm sure you want to set up a certain layout for your blog pages, and you can do so by choosing one of the settings from Muffin Options. You can opt for a classic layout, grid, masonry blog style, masonry tiles, photo, or timeline styles. Set up your blog pages the way you always wanted. Enable certain features or pick one of the many options that you're being offered. You can also do some settings for single posts. You can turn the title on or off, show an author box under the content, add related posts, or disable the comments section. And I'm only mentioning a few of them here. So blog pages are easy to edit. How about portfolio pages? Okay, this is predictable. The Muffin Options for portfolio pages are as easy to use as you'd expect. The settings are like the ones from the blog section. You can set the number of projects per page and order them easily, editing the over title or enabling filters, Load More button, and jQuery filtering. These are several of the available customizations. Thinking of setting up a shop? Easy. If you've learned how the blog and portfolio pages are set up, then you already know how to set up a shop page with Muffin Options. The Pages section from Muffin Options has several options. For pages in general, 404 pages, and under construction ones. In the Footer section, you can set up the layout, background, and do a few advanced settings as well. If you want to set up how the responsive nature of the theme works, you can make specific edits for that. Setting up the SEO and social features is a walk in the park. Everything is there for you to edit. The first thing that comes to mind when importing a pre-made website is to change its colors to match your brand. You can edit that in such detail that you'll never think about editing these in code again. Typography for a brand is important, so we made it easy for you to pick fonts. Choose from the vast collection that Google has. After that, you can edit their size and styles to look great. And that's not all that Muffin Options has to offer. Translation settings are in place. You can quickly create a multilingual website with these. Here in the end of this video, I'm presenting you the custom CSS and JS section. Here you can add your custom codes that you would like to use throughout the website. Thanks for watching. Check out the next tutorial to learn more about this amazing theme.